Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about bottom of the funnel content. Here we go. Now going to the concept of a normal funnel, which I gave you in the previous videos. Imagine when you're pouring a liquid from the top of the funnel, goes to the middle part of the funnel, and then finally to the lower part, which is the narrower part of the funnel. This is going to be the material which has been kind of filtered very highly and is being exposed maximum to what are you offering. These are your customers. The goal over here is to convert your leads which you got from mid part or the middle of the funnel content to finally become your customers or the high ticket purchasers. Bottom of the funnel content is basically the last piece of content which your customer sees just before making the buying decision. Now, highlight over here is it is not easy to ask your potential customer to click on the concept of buy. Even though half of your journey has been successfully completed, this stage, being very close to your final goal, has few challenges, such as of the pricing, alternatives available, customer concern and support before and after purchase, delivering what has been promised, and gaining satisfied customers. Now the key over here is give value, give right kind of resource at the right time, and also address the pain point. Now let us discuss what are the examples of different types of content that can be used at the bottom of the funnel. A is your comparison content. Whether the comparison is between the similar products that you are offering or between your product and the competitors. Comparisons and spec sheets are handy resources that can be offered. This basically provides your prospective customers with objective facts. That means the good and the bad about your products. Here, the landing page can have charts, tables, which are comparing, blogs, infographics, etc. B is customer stories. These are basically your customer testimonials and reviews. Stories basically allow your prospects to see how your customers have experienced success with your products and services. Providing your prospects with real-world examples, peer reviews, acts as a best piece of content and has a powerful impact on decision making. C is demos. Now this is very important in case of your online dealing, or you can say the online purchasing, because in this case a purchaser cannot have or hold the product physically. Demos in that case helps the customer to see how a particular product or a service is going to work. You may in that case use videos, drawings, photographs, webinars, screenshots, and so on. Incentives which are offering reduced prices, they encourage immediate purchase at bottom of the funnel. This can be in the form of pop-ups, emails, text messages, etc. E is webinars. At base of the funnel, webinars can be used to ask your prospective customers to buy your complex, risky or high-ticket products or services. This is possible when you have all your customers or your prospects at one place. F is mini class. Now this is a short class which is meant to deliver or teach relevant information to the target audience. The purpose over here is to pitch a high priced product at the end of the class, and the class was already regarding the same topic. Now let us talk about the tactics that can be used which can be really helpful. Number one is be very specific and straightforward with your base of the funnel audience. Being real helps you go a long way. You may also use a user-generated content in this case. Number two is use limited time discounts and offers. This prompts immediate action and drives conversion, as you have offered urgent and exclusive deal for your customers. Number three is use downloadables or educational materials that can allow the prospects to share the resources with the other decision makers. Resources such as checklists, guides, templates, infographics, kits, surveys, research, white papers, etc. facilitate smooth understanding and at the same time encourage long-term loyalty post the purchase of your product. Number 4 is use customer success stories. Fifth is update your content, as keeping the content up to date helps in retaining your customers and also at the same time increases your credibility. Thank you.